Another day, another story.
Françoise Bettencourt Meyers is a businesswoman, philanthropist, and author known for her inspirational life story. As the heiress of the L'Oréal cosmetics empire, she has not only carried on her family's legacy but also made significant contributions in her own right. Françoise Bettencourt Meyers, born on July 10, 1953, in Neuilly-sur-Seine, France, Françoise Bettencourt Meyers is the only daughter of Liliane Bettencourt and André Bettencourt. Her mother, Liliane, was the principal shareholder of L'Oréal, one of the world's largest beauty companies. Françoise grew up witnessing her family's success and the importance of hard work and determination. Françoise Bettencourt Meyers had a thirst for knowledge from a young age. She studied at the prestigious University of Paris, where she earned degrees in Greek and Latin. Her passion for intellectual pursuits continued throughout her life, and she later published books on various subjects, including Greek mythology and Jewish-Christian relations. One of the most inspiring aspects of Françoise Bettencourt Meyers' life is her commitment to philanthropy. She inherited her family's dedication to giving back and established the Bettencourt-Schuler Foundation, which focuses on supporting scientific, cultural, and humanitarian projects. The foundation promotes research, education, and preservation of cultural heritage, demonstrating her belief in the importance of making a positive impact on society. Françoise Bettencourt Meyers is a devoted wife and mother. She married Jean-Pierre Meyers, a French businessman, in 1984. Together, they have two children, Jean-Victor and Nicolas. Françoise emphasizes the value of family and has shown exemplary leadership in managing her family's business affairs while fostering a strong sense of unity and continuity. As one of the wealthiest women in the world, Françoise Bettencourt Meyers has used her platform to advocate for gender equality and women's empowerment. She has encouraged the presence of women in executive roles within L'Oréal and actively supports initiatives that promote women's rights. Beyond her philanthropic efforts and business responsibilities, Françoise Bettencourt Meyers has demonstrated her passion for literature. She has authored several books, including A Time for Thought and The Greek Gods, showcasing her intellectual depth and commitment to sharing knowledge. Despite her immense wealth and influence, Françoise Bettencourt Meyers maintains a private and humble lifestyle. She rarely grants interviews or appears in the public eye, choosing to focus on her philanthropic endeavors and family. Françoise Bettencourt Meyers' life story is one of inspiration and determination. She has not only embraced her family's legacy but also actively worked to make a positive impact in various fields. Through her philanthropy, advocacy for women's rights, and intellectual pursuits, she has become an influential figure who inspires others to strive for excellence and contribute to the betterment of society.
Thanks for watching.